Tired of boring bullet points in PowerPoint? Today I'll show you how to convert them into stunning SmartArt visuals in under 2 minutes. Let's transform your presentations. Here's a typical slide with bullet points. Boring, right? But SmartArt can change everything. Same content, completely different impact. Here's how to do it step by step. First, select your bullet points. Go to the Home tab. Click Convert to SmartArt. Choose a layout that fits your content. Watch the magic happen instantly. Now customize with the Design tab. Change colors to match your brand. Add professional styles for extra impact. Add a smart background for depth. Look at that transformation. Finally, add smooth animations. From boring to brilliant in minutes, your presentations will never be the same. Like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips. Check out these related tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.